I don't know about you, but I could go for some comfort food. Let's make fish pie.
Welcome to another episode of Bite Size Seattle.
Hi there, I'm Brett, marketing manager here at the JanusGroup, your Seattle real estate team. How's your quarantine going? I hope you and your family are staying safe and healthy during these unprecedented times. I know that you will be shocked to learn that I have been cooking and baking my way through this quarantine. As a quick aside, I just wanted to say that I am not going to be doing a video about sourdough bread or sourdough starter, even though I have absolutely become one of those crazy sourdough people during this quarantine. This is what my freezer looks like right now. I'm grateful every day that one of my hobbies can be enjoyed while I'm staying at home. So what is fish pie? Well, it's basically a British comfort food that's made up of fish and vegetables and mashed potatoes. It is hearty and rich and, most importantly, delicious. Fish pie is more of a concept than a strict recipe. It can be very simple and literally just fish and some milk and potatoes, or it can be very complex. The recipe I'm going to be making today is a little simpler. This comes from a Jamie Oliver cookbook. I've modified it to suit my tastes and what I have available to me during the quarantine. You can find the full recipe and written instructions at janusgroup.re.com/bite. On that page, I've also included a list of other fish pie examples from Fergus Henderson and from the National Gallery in London, as well as a few others. Okay, now we will begin by prepping our vegetables. Cut the potatoes into 1-inch squares. Dice the onion and carrots and thinly slice the leek. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the potatoes, bring the water back to a boil, and set a timer for 2 minutes. When this timer goes off, carefully add the eggs to the potatoes and boiling water and set another timer for 8 minutes. Meanwhile, in a large pan, slowly cook the carrots and onions for about 5 minutes. Then you add the heavy cream and bring it just to a boil and turn off the heat and add in 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of chopped parsley, 1 teaspoon of mustard, and the juice from 1 lemon. In a small pan, cook the thinly sliced leek in 2 tablespoons of butter for 3 minutes. When the timer for the eggs and potatoes goes off, remove the eggs and place in an ice bath for 3 minutes. Then, peel the eggs and cut into quarters. Drain the potatoes and immediately return them to the pot. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and then mash the potatoes. Season them with salt and pepper to suit your taste. Then cut your cod or haddock fillet into 1-inch squares. Add the fish, the cooked leek, and the quartered eggs to the bottom of your baking dish. And then pour the onion, carrot, and cream sauce on top of that. And finally, cover with the mashed potatoes. Then you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees and take your fish pie and bake it uncovered for about 30 minutes or until the top of the potatoes are nice golden brown. Serve your fish pie warm, accompanied with either a salad or, if you want to be really British about it, peas. Thank you for watching this episode of Bite Size Seattle. Until next time, cheers. Before you go, please like this video, leave a comment about how you prefer your fish pie, and subscribe so that you'll get all of our future videos. Thank you.
House goals realized. Janus Group at Remax Integrity.
It's a tooth!